Hey guys, hit the like and subscribe button. And I'm here. I'm Gadriel Marcos vlog. I'm here with Barney looking cute looking stuffed toy. So the sculpt and paint, there's a mouth right here. Doesn't have a tongue, but it's fine. I love the costume of the guy from the series I have when I was a baby. So the teeth is looking white. So white teeth is here on the Barney. And the belly, it's a green looking this. And the other shade is on the lighter green and the other one is darker green. And on the bottom, there's some lime greens and a dark green. And the tail, it's amazing. Okay. Yeah. So soft. Yeah. Pretty soft. These are my channel. If you like the subscribe, hit the like button. So here's a cartoon for kids, like the one I watched when I was a baby. His eye is shining the light reflecting off of it. So the feet, here's a claws on the word Barney. It's very awesome. Needles are like this. So the paint, sculpt and paint at the nails. It's amazing yellow. Also the other one. It's really cool. And the tail is very soft. So I don't think it's Barney plushie. Hit the like, comment, review.
Hit the like button and the notification bell.
Just press comment if it's plushie. I don't think it's plushie Barney. It's Barney stuffed toy. I have a review of Barney because it's my favorite cartoon. He's a cute looking T-Rex. His paint on the dinosaur, it's purple. So the fluffy hairs on him, the tail, it's side to side.
Barney is your favorite.
So Barney. Okay, thanks for watching for my video. Please hit the like, comment, review. Like, subscribe, and add comments. Add comments if it's plushie. Okay. Bye-bye. Catch you later.